Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got the much talked about, that's been like all over YouTube pretty much, Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Riviera palette. That's what I used. I only use this palette for my eyes, and I did like a pink and purple look. There are a lot of colors in here, like there's whites, golds, blues, greens, yellows. I feel like I could probably recreate another look with this palette, so I'll probably do another one like maybe later on this weekend to show you my exact look. I really am feeling this look today. Like, I feel like this look with this shirt, this bob, I'm feeling like a black Barbie. So I don't have a picture of a black Barbie that looks like this, but I will try to find one for you guys and post it. Anyway, I wanted to come on and just show you the palette that everybody's kind of been talking about on YouTube. And I actually was going to do a James Charles look, which I still might do, but when I went to get the palette, they were actually sold out. Instead, they had the Anastasia Riviera palette, which I was shocked about because, you know, when there's something popular, everybody gets it, and then there's like no extra left over, whatever. Anyway, rambling. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my last video. I'm going to leave a little thing here so you can click on it, maybe put it in the cards. Also, if you have not received my videos since I've been uploading, please make sure you click the bell notifications. And if you are not a subscriber already, guys, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers, okay? If I get to 1,000 subscribers, I mean, that's my short-term goal. If I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will actually give away one of these palettes. So, let me know if you would like to be a part of that. Down below, say new subby, so I know that you subbed. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with priming my eyes with this Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the color C12. After I blend that in really well, I'm actually going to go in with the palette of the day, the Anastasia Riviera palette. And I'm going to start off with the first eyeshadow, which is that like light pink color. I'm going to list the colors that I use down in the description box below, but I'm placing this on in the crease of my eye. In this scene, you just see me saying wow, because I can't believe how pigmented that pink is. And that color is actually called Monte Carlo. After I continue to blend this, I'm going to go in with the next color, which is Cane's, and that's like the dark purple. I'm putting that on my outer crease, and actually my outer V, I'm putting that on. Now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and blending those two colors in together to try to get out any harsh lines. Now I'm going back in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C12, and I'm placing this all over my lid, and I'm going to get ready for the hot pink color that has been like what everybody is pretty much talking about, and it shows up really pretty on my skin, like even for dark skin tones, and that is called Bahamas. So in order for me to get the best color payoff, I actually had to pat this all over my lid. And I feel like this is why in this particular video, my colors are like popping so much. And that is really because I'm patting instead of like blending or swiping across. And this basically just packs more color on my lid. Here you just see me blending the colors in together once again because I just want to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines. So that is why you see me blending again and trying to remove any harsh lines with the pink and the purple look. Now I'm taking the color Palermo and I'm again patting that on top of the Bahamas color, and this is just going to bring out that pink even more. It's actually glittery, this particular shadow, so it looks really, really pretty. Okay, and now that everything is done, I'm moving on to my face, and I am taking my Maybelline concealer in, I think this is in Cafe, and I'm placing this again on all the places that I highlight. So this is going to be like my normal foundation routine that I've been doing lately. Okay, so I left out the part where I put on my foundation, and this is again the Makeup Revolution foundation. I think the color is F12, but I'll leave everything down below so you guys can know exactly what I'm using. And I'm just using a brush to blend this all out. Yeah. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and this is in the color dark. This is like one of the second darkest shades, and I'm contouring my forehead, the sides of my nose, my cheeks, and my jawbone. I put my liner and my lashes on off camera, and I'm using the Beauty Bakerie flower powder, and this is in the color yellow, and I'm placing this over every area that I highlighted. And now I'm just taking the other Beauty Bakerie powder, and this is in the color, I think this is the brown color or dark, and I'm placing this all over my face and like setting everything, my contour, everything. Now I'm just taking MAC Cork lip liner, and I'm just lining my lips. And then after I do this, I'm actually putting MAC Honeylove as the lipstick, and it's going to give me like a very nice nude lip. Then on top of that, I'm actually going to take NYX Tiramisu Buttergloss, and I love this stuff. Like, I ran out and I bought this stuff, and it gives me the perfect glossy nude lip. And lastly, I'm just highlighting my face using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette in Tonic. And I really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time, guys. Bye.